In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently multiply numbers in Excel using a simple and time-saving formula. We're going to work through setting up a dynamic multiplication table that will make your life much easier. To get started, let's arrange our numbers into the cells. Begin by typing the numbers 1 and 2 into any cell of your choice. Once you've entered these numbers, highlight both cells. If you look closely, you'll notice a small square at the bottom right corner of the highlighted area. This is known as your fill handle. By clicking and dragging this handle across the row, you can extend the sequence further. Drag it along the row until you reach the desired endpoint. This method allows Excel to automatically fill in sequential numbers for you. It's a fantastic way to save time compared to manually typing each number one by one. Next, we'll set up a column of numbers using a similar approach. In a new column, type 1 and 2 once again and highlight both numbers. Use the fill handle to drag downwards, creating a new sequence of numbers in your column. Once you have your numbers in place, let's dive into the multiplication formula that will streamline your efforts. Move to the bottom right of the first number in your row and the right side of the number 1 in your column. Here you'll enter the formula equals $C $, 2 times the $, B3. Now you might wonder, why the dollar signs? Well, the dollar sign is a powerful tool that keeps specific parts of your formula static, even when you copy it across multiple cells. In this formula, $2 indicates that as you copy the formula down a column, Excel will consistently refer to row 2. Similarly, B3 ensures that when copying across columns, Excel maintains the reference to column B. The formula C$2,000 B3 is carefully designed to ensure that your multiplication table is correctly replicated across your table. Once you've entered this formula, it's time to deploy it across your entire table. Navigate to the cell containing your formula and press Ctrl and C to copy it. Alternatively, you can right-click and select Copy. Next, highlight the range of cells where you want to apply this multiplication. With the desired area selected, simply paste your formula. The calculations will be performed almost instantaneously. And there you have it. You've now mastered a potent method for multiplying numbers in Excel, effortlessly saving time for more pressing tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more handy tips on mastering Excel and boosting your productivity.